Hey everyone, if you're new to trading meme coins and you don't even know how to buy crypto yet, then don't worry. Don't even think about all those methods on what is the best way to buy crypto at the moment. All you need to learn is the meme coin trading strategy. Now, before this tool came out, there was no way to trade demo accounts on meme coin trading. And only a couple days ago, SolSniper.xyz have now basically created a paper trading model. Now you can see at the top, my wallet balance says I've got 100 Solana in my wallet, but I obviously don't have 100 Solana. This is just a demo account. If you've ever seen demo accounts on trading before, it is just playing with paper money. Now this is just a demo account. When you trade, obviously you're not going to keep any of the profits, but this is just to learn how to actually trade meme coins and the right strategy to do so. Now this is great because beforehand I was telling people only invest a small amount of Solana when you're first learning how to trade meme coins, but now you don't even need to do that. There is no personal risk that you need to put in at the start. You can just learn with this strategy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to quickly set this up, and then we'll go through a couple quick strategies that you can learn. And what I want you to do is get consistently profitable for a couple of weeks until you're fully comfortable with how the meme coin market works. Then once you've done that and you're profitable after a couple of weeks, go ahead and then trade on actual exchanges like Axiom Pro, Bullx Neo, and many other ones that I've recommended on the channel. So in order to get this to work, you need to go to solsniper.xyz, find a link in the description below, and then go to the top right and you should see an option to log in with your Telegram. So I'll quickly log out of my Telegram just right now, just to show you how to do it. Don't log in with your Discord or with a wallet connect, as it won't give you the option. You need to log in with the Telegram login. So as soon as you click Telegram login, you'll then be taken to the Telegram bot, where you just need to log in through Telegram. Now, once you're logged in through Telegram, come to the top, click paper, and then you should see your fake 100 Solana wallet balance. Now, when you're looking at these meme coins, what you have to make sure that you don't invest into, and you'll learn through the paper trading, so don't worry, you're not going to lose actual money with this. But what I look for is the top 10 holders amount. If the top 10 holders amount is higher than 30%, then I'm likely to stay away from that meme coin. The reason being is because if we look at the holders down here, there is a person who is holding 30% of the token. Now what that means is when they sell the token, it will cause a massive crash in price because they have such a high value of the token, 71 sols worth, which is $12,000. And then there are other people down here as well who have also got thousands in the meme coin. And what I like to do usually as well is if it has a Twitter option, then I will click on the Twitter just to see what the Twitter is about connected to the meme coin. And in a lot of cases, they'll just put a random Twitter link in, which actually doesn't match anything. So for this one, it is just a search of this LEW coin. So then you can see if people are talking about it, if this is the case, and see if there's loads of people talking about it, but there's not in this case, so I'd probably stay away from that token as well. But here's one that I'll just get into for an example, just to show you how it works. So we'll click on it, and obviously this is a bad example again, because on other exchanges, you can actually filter down what coins you want to get into. So I filtered the top 10 holders. I don't want anything over 30%. And then there are other options on other exchanges that actually do this properly as well, where you can filter the amount of insiders that are into the token, the amount of snipers, and then that gives you a better view of the tokens that could perform well and not rug on you. But for this example, I'll just get in. Obviously, it's probably going to go down and rug at one point. Now, keep in mind, I've got 100 Solana in my wallet balance right now, but that doesn't mean that I'm going to be investing 100 Solana into every single meme token that I've got, even if I've got 100 Solana balance. Now, I always see people that are quite new to meme coin trading, they'll see a token that does quite good, and then they'll be like, oh my God, let's invest in for all of my money, right? And that is not what you should be doing at all. You want to be always having an element of risk management when you're trading. So always do a small percentage of whatever your balance is. I like to do 2% at a time. And if the token's quite good, then I might do a tiny bit more if it's going to run well and it matches a certain trend that a lot of people are talking about on this Twitter tracker right here. But that is a rare case. I always want to make sure that I'm doing a small amount of my Solana balance. Now you might be thinking like, oh my God, but I could put all of my balance in, and if that went to 100k market cap and I got in at 25k market cap, then I've 4 times my money. But that is not the way to think about it, because like you can see, these tokens are going up and down so quickly. Obviously, if it matches a certain trend, then you can put a bit more risk into this, obviously, but just keep that in mind. Otherwise, you're gonna lose a lot of your money. Now, in order to do paper trading, obviously you see me do it really quick here, but all I'm doing is just putting in the amount of Solana I want. You can click your Solana amounts here as well, so you can go for 1 sol, 5 sol, 10 sol dead quickly just by clicking this amount. So for an example, I'll just show you how it'll work. Just click 1 sol and then click buy 1 sol worth, and then here you go, you can see that I've bought 1 sol. Now, in order to sell, just click on the sell button that's right next to the buy button, and then you can choose the amount that you want to sell. Now, if the token's increasing and you're in profit, one of the best ways to actually make sure you get the most out of your money is just to sell 25% at a time while it's on the up. But if the token's obviously crashing on you really quickly, then click 100% and you can sell 100% of the token. But what I like to do, especially if the token's riding, so let's say for example, this is at 25k and it keeps on increasing up to hundreds of thousands and keeps on increasing a couple times. Every time I see that the price struggles to beat a certain market cap and doesn't pump as much, then I'll start to sell 25% at a time. And then you can keep selling 25% amounts. You can also customize your slippage settings down here as well. So usually for when the market is not too volatile, now all slippage means is if the market is moving really quickly and the price is fluctuating and there is a lot of volume in the token. So you can scroll down here and see the amount of volume that's in the token. If there's a high amount of volume, then the likelihood is I'll increase the slippage to 20-25%. But if there's not too much volume, at the moment 35k is not too much volume, so usually I'll put it to 10%, but sometimes then the transactions can take quite a while to load, so I'll just customize it as much as possible. Sometimes I do 15%, and that usually works quite good for me. But the lower you have the slippage, then the less you pay in fees. We'll see how this token does, but whenever I see that the token starts to struggle to beat a certain price, then I'll look at selling the token, because I don't like to stay in tokens for too long, and you shouldn't either. Volume is how you can tell if a token's going to do well or not. So the more volume that you have and the more buy volume you have, then you can tell that the token's going to do well. Now at this moment, if this was real money, I'd be selling straight away like this. If you're just using the meme scope, it can be very hard to find all the winners all the time. But I'll quickly show you a strategy that you can do with our Discord in order to find more winners. So all I'm doing with this is I'm getting the Discord windows open and I'm just shorting them. So I'll have it open to the side of my screen so I can clearly see the meme decks at the same time. So you can use these free tools as well with the Discord. This is a smart wallet tracker which tracks multiple different whale wallets that have millions in their account, just to see what tokens they're buying into. Usually if like Elon Musk tweets and then I see the whale wallets buying into a token that represents what Elon Musk is tweeting about, especially if he tweets a meme, then I'll be looking to buy into that. Now all you would do, obviously there's not too many great examples at the moment, but all you would do is just double click on the contract address right here, copy it, and then go over to this section right here where you can search for tokens or NFTs and paste the exact contract address that you found the whale wallet bought into here, and then you can click this and it will take you to the exact Memecoin.